Hang on a second, get your fingers off the self-righteous buttons and let me explain. I am not destroying valuable pinball machines. I bought all these machines off of a pinball mechanic, a restorer, a collector, who really knows what he's talking about. And for myriad reasons, these machines were not worth restoring. They are parts machines at best. They were relegated to the corner of his garage where they sat doing nothing and were probably never going to do anything. I liberated them from that fate. I have brought them into my world. I have parted out all of the valuable electronics and sold them for below cost on eBay to people that can use them. And I am continuing to make things from these machines. I'm not destroying good, functioning, valuable pinball machines. I am making something from the fodder of the pinball era. Upcycling 101. So with all that said, you want to cut up some pinball machines? I know you do. My original idea was to take all these pieces of plywood and biscuit them together and create a new piece of plywood, and I'm deciding against that now because some of the pieces have gotten a little warped over the years and it does have to be structural. So I want to make sure that the desk is straight and flat and not warped. I decided instead I'm going to slice a 1/4 inch off because I'm trying to save the art, right? So I'm going to save the art off of these pieces and then assemble them onto a plywood substructure for safety and security. So now I have to slice all of these pieces down to get the 1/4 inch art off. I didn't want to waste that much wood, but it seems to be the best approach to this crazy thing I'm trying to do.
the promise of being able to
Hitler took the rejection in stride. Men
call that out.
stubborn attachment.
It's based on border science. It's based on faith-based, almost religious ideas. Time into where people are trying to experiment, whether it's New Age.
Listening to Benjamin Walker's theory of everything. This instrument is called pseudoscience.
On vacation and I just lost the lead.
This is a highly specialized desk for a highly specialized client who has highly specialized needs and a highly specialized taste in design. I hope you like it. You don't have to. If you are interested in more pinball machine desks, I have a couple other videos on my channel that are a little less involved than this one. Actually a little bit easier to make a desk out of a pinball machine. If you want to check those out, I'll leave the links below. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. That really helps my channel a lot if you like this sort of thing. And if you don't like this sort of thing, then I guess you don't want to do that. You can also support me on Patreon at patreon.com/timsway, which helps finance my time to make these videos, share these ideas, and as well as I give stuff away there sometimes, just sort of randomly. Alright, thank you very much and be good.